Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is lisaphan and today we are doing a very natural back to school makeup look. I know it may not look that I'm wearing much and that it looks like my everyday look that you guys see on Instagram and all my videos, but I thought I'd just tie in a lot of affordable, amazing makeup products in this video as well and kind of just create a nice base and just talk through some other steps you can just omit for an easier makeup look. I thought this would be helpful since it's back to school season. A lot of you guys ask me what you guys should wear for high school makeup or college makeup, and I think this is a great medium. You can definitely add to it or take away from it to make it easier or a little more glammed up if you would like. So yeah, without further ado, here's the makeup look. I'm wearing it right now and I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how I achieved this very easy no makeup look for back to school. And yeah, let's get right into it. Of course, start off with a super clean face. I just cleansed and then I am going to put on this moisturizer. This is the All Day Hydrator from Sephora collection. This is like my second tube. This is so affordable. I love this stuff. It's like my everyday moisturizer. I use this at night more heavily and it's just like the best, and it's very lightweight, perfect for school, and it's super fast to put on. In order for our makeup to stay on, we are going to prime, and this is the JOA Glow Activator. This is the Radiance Primer, and you can probably find this at CVS, so this is like a drugstore product, very affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime a little bit with this. This is a new bottle, so I'm gonna use a tiny bit, not too much, because we don't I don't really wear that much makeup to school anyway. So then for a little bit of coverage, I'm using the Sephora collection Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer. I'm just taking a bit of this to even out my complexion a little bit. Honestly, some days I just go in with concealer, but I thought for the full effect and for full school makeup, I just show you guys all the steps. Definitely give or take a few things if you're not feeling it. But this is like super easy to apply. You can do this with your fingers or a sponge. I always like a sponge because I think it just blends out a little better, but yeah, definitely you can use your fingers and just slap this on in the morning. This is super easy to blend out, so yep, that just kind of evened out my complexion, nothing too crazy. For some extra coverage, I'm also using a Sephora collection product. I swear this is not sponsored. I just love all these items and they're all super affordable, so thought I'd share them with you guys. This is the Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer, which I love, so I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes, around my nose, on any blemishes. We don't need too much. I mean, it's just a classroom, so not much is needed, but I'm just gonna do a little bit on spots. Now I'm gonna let my face makeup sit. I usually let it sit for a little bit before I powder, just because I want it to look more skin-like. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit, and this is one of my favorite brow pencils. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate. It's a little dark for me at the moment, so I'm gonna go very light with this. Okay, so the brows are done, and sometimes it takes me a really long time to do my eyebrows. So on days that I just need a rush and just quickly do something to my eyebrows, I usually go in with something tinted. So if you don't want to do the whole brow filling in and everything, definitely go with a tinted brow gel to just make them look put together. This one is from Essence. This is the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. It's in a nice brown color, which is perfect. It tints your eyebrows, makes everything lay in place, and I think it's just the perfect product to do your eyebrows on the go super quick. So if not the eyebrow pencil, definitely go with the gel. So now that the brows are ready, by the time I usually finish them, that is the perfect time to apply some powder. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. So since this is a full coverage powder foundation, honestly, some days I can just whip this up, put it on my face, no liquid coverage products, and it could just be fine. So if you are on the go, I highly recommend this powder. It is like the perfect full coverage powder that's affordable, that you can just go all over your face and you look perfectly fine. But if you're using it as a setting powder, like in this setting, just go with a light hand and just sweep over the areas you want it to set in place, because it is a super long lasting powder. So I think it is perfect for a nice thin layer of setting powder. Next up for bronzer, I'm using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is like the perfect and natural tone bronzer. Next up we have blush, and this is the Essence Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Coral, which is the perfect everyday blush color. I love myself a peachy coral, so I'm gonna go in with a blush brush and just dust this over my cheeks for the fresh glow. After face makeup, usually my face kind of looks colorless and flat, so this just adds a bit of freshness and color to the face. And of course, we cannot forget highlight even on school days. So I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in the shade Golden Flower Crown, which is beautiful. It's a nice goldeny, slightly rose gold sheen to it as well. I'm just dusting this on my cheekbones, but nothing too blinding. I'm also going to take it onto my nose with a small detailing brush, just on the tip of my nose and on the most center and highest point of my non-existent nose bridge. And then to set all of this face makeup, I'm going to be using the Creme Shop I Am Balanced Beauty Water. This is a primer, facial spray, and setting spray, so I love this all-in-one kind of product. So I just apply mascara, and honestly, you can just stop here. You can put on a lip product and be out the door. But since I want to kind of go all the way with a simple school makeup look, I'm going to also apply lashes, because I do add lashes to a makeup look just because I think it kind of finishes off any look really well. So I'm just going to use my favorite drugstore ones from Eylure. This is the style Wispy. So what I'm going to do to blend a little more is just use a little bit of black liquid liner and kind of just fill in all the empty spaces in the inside, especially in the inner eye corners, just so that it looks a little more natural, nothing peeking through, especially like the glue. And to just finish off the look, I would go with some lips. I think I'm going to go with ColourPop. I haven't worn this glossy lip in a while. This is in PS, one of my faves. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the lips. I think that is it for the look. It's super natural. This is something I would call a no makeup look for myself, because it kind of just enhances everything, perfects the skin, adds some lashes. There's nothing too dramatic or unnatural about this look, I don't think. So you guys can definitely rock this on a daily basis at school or whatever setting you need this kind of makeup look for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will put all the product links down below in the description for you guys to see the names of everything if you want to purchase. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my other social medias. That's where I update you guys on what I'm going to upload next. So if you missed this one super early, follow me on Instagram. I usually announce it way before I'm going to upload, so you guys are ready to go, being the first to watch. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, beauties.
Top 5, grow it every drop. On that you just wanna get high. Next day you forgot that I told you that. This my niche, play my role. What you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved. I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes.